wanted to show you all this, but unfortunately all I did, okay, this is the old tire. It's pretty sketched. Alright. That's all I did. So I took the 4 bolts out for the split rim. Let me get you up here maybe. Oh, this is a... There. Alright, just took the 4 bolts out and split the rim. That's all I did. Okay? There you go. There's the old tire. You can ditch that. You don't need that no more. Alright. This video is dedicated to doing this. Taking one of these split rims off a mobility scooter that's got a sketchy tire like that, and you go and try to find those tires, and they're extremely expensive and there's no need for it. Here's what you can do. The electric and gas scooters, you can buy these tires in different treads and get them on eBay. The tires are like $6 or something, and these are like $3 or $4 the tube. I'll show you how to do it. Stand by. Alright, yeah, here's the tire I just changed, and it's just it's sketchy, so don't eat it. Alright, get yourself a tube, get yourself the tire. But you're going to have a hard time getting this tube and this tire in this collapsed state. So you're going to need some way of getting some air in your tire. So, I just have a little portable air tank down here running right now that I fill with my compressor. But you just take a little bit of air and put in that. That's it. Just a tiny, tiny bit. You don't want to blow it way up. It just holds its shape that way. You can still squeeze it. Alright. You start by looping your tube like this and spread your tire. Sorry, you can't see a thing. Let me get it up here a bit. Like that. You got to get your tire up in the tube to start it. Push it all the way up to the top. Sort of like a bicycle tire, only way smaller. And you just keep feeding it around till you get your tube all the way in there. Ouch. Still recovering from the junk. Had that COVID all too many times now. 3 is enough. Pray to Lord that I won't get it again. Alright, now in this particular case, to make a place for the valve stem, I had to drill a little hole. That may not be your case on yours. You have to check it out. But always get the one with the brass valve stem. Don't get a tube that doesn't have a metal valve stem. You'll wish you hadn't. There. See how it feeds it up right through that hole? Alright. And there's the back side. Then you take your other half, and you got to line that up now with your bolt holes. And you put your bolts back in. Don't tighten any one bolt. Use a crisscross pattern. Whether you have 4 or 6 or however many. Just put your bolts back in. Because what it's doing is clamping them 2 halves of them wheels together, and you don't want to get one of them cockeyed. You just feed these bolts in. I always take the extension in my hand and do this part. You could run them in with a electric or something, but you got to be careful not to tighten one more than the other. Just run them in by hand, and then you kind of know. And then the same thing with when you run your ratchet. You want to. I started to get the electric one, but I couldn't find the 3/8 to 1/4 inch adapter, so the wife's picking one up at work. She works at Tractor and manager. She's gonna bring me one, and then we can do this type of thing a little easier. That's okay, we can run hand tools, I don't mind. Okay. Let's get these tight. I had one of these shed a few bolts. Didn't fall apart, but it was, I could feel it getting a little wobbly, so I stopped, came on home. Alright, and there you go. Now all you gotta do is air it up. We'll do that right now. And it's not like you're gonna be running your mobility scooter out in the brush, okay? So it's perfectly fine to put air up tires on it. And you'll save hundreds of dollars, literally. Shoot, missed that one. Get over there. There we go. Now we can air it up. Air it up slow because these don't hold much air. There. It's about right. It says air it up to 36 pounds. Well, at 22 pounds, it's hard as a rock. So, I mean, it is so hard I can't squeeze it. So, that's how you put one together, though. There's the back tires for that scooter, and we saved hundreds of dollars doing it this way, because those gel filled or whatever they call them, expensive. All right, tubes, that's all you need to swap your tires right on over to the air up tires. So go out there and eBay or wherever you want to do it, Amazon, pick yourself some scooter tires. Now go look at your old tire. Don't assume anything, look at your numbers. Your size, like for instance, these are 2.00 by 50, 2 by 50. So make sure you get the right size tires for your wheels, and you'll be golden. Save hundreds of dollars, folks. Take it easy. Love y'all. Thumbs up. Bye-bye.